Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria. Welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. This is where I make my handmade soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we start, I would like to say to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the family. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I appreciate you. Well, today we're going to do the unmolding of You're the Bomb toilet cleaning bombs for your toilet. Let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, we have the molds. It's hardened. It's been 24 hours. So now we're going to take them out of the silicone molds. Okay. These are our toilet cleaning bombs. Just drop one in and it helps cleans the toilet. If you forgot what the ingredients were, it was baking soda, citric acid, hydrogen peroxide, along with white vinegar. In my toilet cleaning bombs, we have 3 essential oils. One is sweet orange oil. The second one is bergamot. And the third one is grapefruit essential oil. So let's get started. I'm going to put mine in this beautiful jar I have for my bathroom. Okay, there they go. And all you do is the easy release. You see that? And we'll just place them in. We show them to you. They're coming right out. Look at that. See that? Easy, easy. And we're just going to fill our jar. Make sure you put them in an airtight jar, so that way there's no air to make them harder than what they are, even though it doesn't matter. They're solid hard and they're going into your toilet. There, you can make all sizes. There you go. How is everyone doing today? There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Hold it up to you a little more. So let's test one of these out and see how it's gonna bubble and clean some of them stains up, clean some of the stains up, and also give us a nice scent in our bathroom, okay? We'll be right back. Okay, so what we have here is just a bowl of water. We're gonna pretend that this is the toilet bowl. And you will actually just take one of your bombs, drop it in the toilet bowl. I want you to hear that. And we're done. Glennceria toilet cleaning bombs. I will have all the ingredients listed down below in the description area. Don't worry about a thing. We're done for the day. Thank you so much for coming over, looking at my video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, hit your notification button so you know when I upload a video. Subscribe. Of course, subscribe to me. I love you all. Love always. Mwah! From Glennceria Loving Hands. Have a great day. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. Glennceria loving hand. Just take the S off of hands. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget Glennceria love you. Until the next video. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day.